Yo, what's up, guys? I'm hearing, looking out my window right now, hearing some strange fucking sounds out there. I have no idea what the hell they are. It's rattling the earth around here. We're in Long Island, January 18th. And it's fucking loud. You hear that? You hear that shit? Fuck is that shit?
What?
I have no idea. Like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that? This is for all you YouTube people. You hear that? Might be sounds of the apocalypse there.